Most people don't fail because they lack talent, intelligence, or opportunity. They fail because they never develop inner strength, and Stoic philosophy was never meant to make you comfortable. It was meant to make you powerful. The strongest version of you is not built in moments of motivation, but in moments of resistance, when your mind tells you to quit and you decide to stay. Rule 1 is this: stop moving through life like prey. Prey apologizes for existing, seeks permission to speak, and shrinks to avoid conflict, while strength comes from presence, quiet, grounded, unshaken presence that doesn't beg to be liked. When you walk into a room, your body language, your silence, and your posture speak before your words ever do. And if you don't claim your space, someone else will claim it for you. Next, sharpen your focus until it becomes cold and ruthless, because distraction is the modern cage. Every notification, scroll, and meaningless debate slowly steals your future. And clarity only comes when you choose silence over noise and purpose over stimulation. When you guard your attention like a weapon, you become dangerous in a world designed to keep you scattered. Then learn to rule over your emotions instead of letting them rule you. Emotions are not enemies, but they are terrible leaders, and every impulsive reaction hands your power to someone or something else. Strength is the ability to pause, to feel anger without exploding, fear without fleeing, and sadness without collapsing. Because calm under pressure is the highest form of dominance. Discipline must become your daily armor, not motivation, because motivation fades, but discipline stays. Discipline is built in boring mornings, lonely nights, and invisible effort. And every time you keep a promise to yourself, you forge self-trust, which is the rarest confidence of all. As you grow stronger, you must detach from what drains you: people, habits, identities, and memories that once felt safe but now keep you small. Letting go is not cruelty, it is clarity. And you cannot build a powerful future while dragging a broken past behind you. Patience is the next weapon, and it is savage when used correctly. The world rushes, reacts, and reveals everything too soon, but the patient person watches, waits, and strikes only when the moment is right, because timing multiplies power. Silence then becomes your blade. You don't need to explain yourself, prove your worth, or win every argument. When you speak less, people listen more, and when you react less, you control more. Respect is never requested. It is commanded through consistency, boundaries, and self-respect, because how you treat yourself teaches others how to treat you. Don't build a lifestyle that looks good online but collapses in private. Build a legacy rooted in values, discipline, and meaning, something that would still matter even if no one was watching. Finally, if you want real transformation, you must kill the old version of yourself without mercy. Not violently, but decisively. The version of you that delays, negotiates with weakness, and waits for perfect conditions must die, because evolution demands sacrifice. You don't rise by adding new habits alone. You rise by removing excuses, patterns, and identities that no longer belong to you. This process is uncomfortable, lonely, and silent, but it aligns you into a single direction. In a focused, disciplined, emotionally controlled human being is almost impossible to stop. This is not about becoming cold or heartless. It's about becoming solid, steady, and unshakable. The moment you stop surviving and start living by principle, you stop being average. And that is when the strongest version of you finally steps forward.